first thing we need to do here is click on either search on your menu bar or click on command and space. Now over here you can do any calculation like 12 multiplied by 14 or 13. It's 156. 12 plus 24. 46. Such a big number. And then I'll add a multiplication sign. Then like this. Now I'll get the result as well. Now you can use this in many ways. Like if you have to divide, you can do shift and the question mark sign and you'll get slash, and then you can also use the plus or the minus sign. But with that you can also use the star for multiplication, and you can use the percentage for the remainder of a division. Now like if I do 2 divided by 2, it's 1. But if I do 3 divided by 2, it's 1.5. Though if I do percentage divided, if I do 3% 2, it gives me 1 because that is the remainder. Now I can use it for bigger calculations like 47 divided by 22. Now I'll just change it to a percent sign and do 22. So the remainder was actually 3. So you could get this really easily. So in Spotlight Search you can also do any big calculation, and you can also convert the currency. Like if I write $1, so it will show me 75.88 Indian rupees. If I write $15,000, now it is 11,38,125 rupees. Now you would be wondering, on our keyboard we don't have the euros or something like that. If I do 12 yen, if I type yen, it will also work. Now in whichever country you are in, it will convert into your thing. Now I can also use as rupees, but it won't work because I cannot convert rupees into rupees. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on technology and more.